In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign project costs from bills in Xero. Assigning a supplier bill to a project lets you track true project profitability and, if you on-charge costs, invoice clients accurately. Before we start, make sure the bill has already been entered in Xero and that you have access to projects in your organization. First, open the Purchases area. From there, go into Bills so you can see the list of supplier invoices. Locate the bill that contains the cost you want to push to a project and open it. If you're unsure which bill to choose, look for the supplier, date, and reference that matches the expense you're allocating. With the bill open, use Bill Options and choose Edit. This switches the bill into edit mode, which is required for assigning expenses. Now look for the link or button that says Assign Expenses to a Customer or Project. This is the project's connector. Click it to bring up the assignment panel. In the search field, start typing the project name. Xero will suggest matching active projects as you type. Select the correct project from the list. Choosing the right one ensures the cost lands in the proper job and phase reporting. Next, choose exactly which line you want to assign. Tick the checkbox beside the relevant description. This links that specific line's amount, account, and tax to the project rather than the whole bill. Clear, specific descriptions on your bill lines make this step much easier. When you're happy with the selection, click Assign. Xero will queue that cost against the project. You'll then see a confirmation dialog. Click OK to proceed. To finish, save your changes by selecting Update on the bill. This step is essential. Until you update, the assignment isn't recorded. After updating, the cost will appear inside the project's Cost tab, ready for analysis or for creating an on-charge invoice if that's part of your workflow. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Review the expense account and tax rate on the bill line before assigning, so your project reports stay accurate. If you don't see the Assign option, check that the project's feature is enabled for your organization and that you have the necessary permissions. And that's it. You've taken a bill, assigned the relevant line to a project, and saved the change, giving you cleaner project profitability and faster billing.